Hello everyone. So in my today's video, we will continue with the MRO, but with some example. This example we are done in the last video. That is all to check the execution process, how it's search. So we'll remove the last four lines, but other than that, all other lines are required right now. We have a base class. This is derived from A. This is derived from A, and this is derived from B and C. And now if I write suppose C1 equal to, and I'm deriving that class from class C derived class, not the D right now, just for understanding purpose. And suppose if I write C1 dot A1 function, okay, I'm calling A1 function using object C1. So we know the sequence. First it will check in derived class. If it is available, it will print, but then it will go to his base class, only one base class, so it will jump over here. So let's check the output of this control S. We are expecting this output, that is you are in class C. But suppose in class C we do not have A1. Suppose we have A2. We have changed the name now. Okay, so what do you think now where it will jump? It will first come to C class. It will check A1 is there or not. No. Then it will jump to which class? Base class. It will jump over here and it will print you are in class A. Let's check that also. See. So this is how it in order it will jump. And suppose if I write one more example, D1 is equal to and capital D function. Okay, and using D1 you are calling A1, but here in derived class we already have A1, so it will obviously print you are in class D. See, but suppose here instead of A1 we have A3. We have changed the name now. Okay, so now what you think where it will jump? It will jump to base class B or base class C. It will go in this order. First it will check in B, check A1 is there, yes, then it will print control S, C. But suppose if I write something or some order like this, C comma B, control S. So it will check, okay, it is also printing you are in class B, because obviously you can see it is first jump to that class. Okay, but the problem is in C we do not have A1, so D not having A1, C not having A1, so obviously it will jump to where? Only B. Suppose if I write A1, चल वो भी कर लेते हैं, we will write A1 control S. So now first D, it is not there, then it will jump to C, it is there, and it will print C. Okay, so this is how MRO works. In my next video we will start with the super function in Python, because super class constructor, super class variables, super class methods. So in my next videos onwards, like we will start with the super class. Thank you everyone.